Welcome to Wander Cave Creek, located a short drive from Phoenix, Arizona. My name is Sarah and I will be giving you a tour of this 2,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, modern desert home that spans 5 acres. This architecturally stunning property was designed by Wendell Burnett and is located in a forest of saguaro cacti with mountain and city views in the distance. Wander is what you get when the quality of a luxury hotel meets the comfort and space of a vacation home. And we're different from other vacation rentals because we own 100% of the homes on our platform, which means all of the uncertainty from travel is removed. Each Wander comes with state-of-the-art smart home technology that puts total home control at your fingertips. You'll be able to control every aspect of the experience, from your smartphone in the Wander app, from unlocking the door to turning on the lights to even accessing the Tesla. Yes, that is right. You have access to a Tesla Model Y during your stay, so you don't have to worry about the complications of renting a car or the cost of gas. This home is modern desert architecture at its finest. It was designed with the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi in mind. This celebrates both new and old, rich and diverse textures, and smooth metal against ancient rock. The concrete path leads to a gorgeous entranceway. To the left of the door, you have this live edge solid wood outdoor dining table that comfortably seats 10, a built-in grill. Let's come inside and I will give you a tour of the rest of the house. When you first enter the home, you are met with the living room. We also have a massive Samsung TV with high quality speakers, then a spectacular dining table that has huge windows that look up the mountain at all the saguaro cacti. And behind me, you will see the stunning kitchen. This is an open concept contemporary design in a slate tone. And one of the things that stand out a lot about all Wander properties is how well stocked the kitchen is. And I'm not just talking about soft drinks, teas, spices, Nespresso pods. You'll get all of that. But what you'll also get, which a lot of vacation rentals don't have, is high quality cookware and dishware. You have a Gaggenau oven. You also have high quality glassware for entertaining and tons of storage space for anything you could need. There's also a little coffee nook in the back here for the espresso minded, fully stocked with Nespresso pods of all different flavors. And then there is a door that opens to the outdoor gathering space for meals and more. On the way to the primary bedroom, you're going to notice that we've entered a pretty cool space. This is called the wine room. And we actually have a fireplace right here that can be controlled completely from your Wander app. You also have a wine column where you can store any type of wine. And my personal favorite part is these patio glass doors that open up completely to show you the view. It's a great place to read, have a glass of wine, or simply enjoy the wildlife here. You see so much of it. The primary bedroom is designed with a contemporary Japanese style with decor to match, like this wind gong right here that adds to a meditation vibe. Right over here, we actually have a koi pond. You can actually feed the koi fish. We provide little pellets for you. We also have a Samsung TV with a Sonos speaker. Now it may seem like there is no door to the master bedroom, but listen up because this is hands down the most unique part of this house. It is the secret meditation room. You see this little handle? And this, if you pull these, this actually opens the wall and you are going to see a meditation room. It's everything you would need to have your own personal little wellness retreat. We want you to sleep better than you do at home, and that is why we invest in the best mattresses. Take a look at the bed frame here. This is a floating bed frame, adding to that zen element. And by the way, if you have a baby like me, we actually can provide you with a crib and a car seat for the Tesla. Just let us know ahead of time and we'll arrange that for you. To the front of the bed, you have your own private peaceful terrace with loop chairs. There is a zen walk right here, a fire pit that you can completely control from your app. We have a wine cooler right here and an outdoor shower. Did you know all Wanders are pet friendly? We love your pets as much as you do, so we want to make sure they feel at home too. Here we have a private little pet run, which is completely enclosed. So this is a great place to wind down at the end of the day with gorgeous sunset views. One thing to point out about Wander Cave Creek is because of some of these water features, it may attract the local wildlife. like birds, deer, and scorpions. So please just be aware of that and use caution. The workstations at Wander is what makes them stand out from other rental accommodations, allowing you to unwind without needing to unplug. And here at Wander Cave Creek, we have 3 of them, which means you and your friends or family can take a workcation and everyone has their own dedicated workspace. Every Wander home has 300 megabytes to 1 gigabyte of internet speed and ubiquity hardware across the entire property. And each of these 3 workstations has an Urban Miller chair, which has the best back support of all chairs. This workstation has a custom-made sit-to-stand desk that our Wander home operations team crafted themselves, from the metalwork to the live edge wood slab and the LED tape light underneath it, giving it an underglow effect. I mean, look how beautiful this is, and you have several shelves. Gorgeous! We have a blue mic, which is so high quality it's used for broadcasting by major recording artists. There's also the best external camera and ring light so that you will look crystal clear in all of your Zoom calls and won't even need a virtual backdrop. Each desk also has a 38-inch extra wide LG curved monitor with 4K resolution and high-end speakers. And what I love is that when I arrived, all I had to do is plug in 1 wire and all of that was connected for me. It made the whole process seamless and hassle-free. The primary bathroom is very unique and there's a lot of distinctive elements here. This is only part 1 of it, by the way. This is a Japanese soaking tub. It's going to be deeper than your traditional tub and the spout only releases hot water. This is great for relaxation, relieving tense muscles. Just keep in mind the water is quite hot, so pay attention to what's comfortable with your body. But this is a great way to relax and adds to like the zen vibe of this home. But let's head to part 2 of the primary bathroom. We have a makeup vanity. There is a very impressive sink here made of black stone, and a separate area for the toilet and bidet. In the drawers, you'll find a Dyson hairdryer. All Wanders have a Dyson, and luxury bath products, shampoo, conditioner. The walk-in closet here at Wander Cave Creek is enormous. You'll see these beautiful lush bathrobes with Wander on them, and also a half bath right here, and the laundry room. Let's head down these unique metal stairs to the other bedrooms. And as we walk down these stairs, you're gonna notice beautiful artwork along the walls. And the last step on the stairs is actually a rock, which brings back that feeling of wabi-sabi. The 2 additional bedrooms have all of the benefits that the primary bedroom has, including a comfortable mattress, a workstation, a Samsung TV, an outdoor space, and a bathroom. Miss your gym bag at home? No worries, we have that covered for you. All Wander properties come with a gym, so you will have a treadmill, a Peloton, an Ergatta rower, a sauna, and everything you could need to stay fit while looking at this beautiful mural of the desert. By the way, when you leave, don't worry about cleaning. We have a team to do that for you. So no longer do you have to worry about a long list of to-dos or stripping beds. Simply take your stuff and go. However, if you'd like a mid-stay clean, the Wander Concierge can also arrange that for you. At Wander, we believe humans are meant to explore the world and that these experiences are best when shared. Now, anyone can stay at one of our properties, but we also offer a Wander membership program that unlocks additional benefits, including 5% off of every Wander you book, early access to new Wanders, VIP concierge service, exclusive discounts from our luxury brand partners like Urban Miller and 8 Sleep, a members hoodie, and more. And to learn more about that, visit wander.com/membership. If you're coming to Cave Creek, check out our travel guide next. We can't wait to welcome you to your new home. Bye!